with the Toyota bracket assembly and the bushing. Here are the instructions on how to put the bushing in. So I have it marked here with just a pencil on the top side, and that's also the rounded side that matches the roundness of the latch. So you should pull back the latch and then slide your bushing in, and then put the side that I marked on the top, and then you should get something to pry the other side in with. And then I would suggest a screwdriver. I only have scissors right now. There we go. And then it'll seat into place, and then you have your bushing in, and be sure to grease it. That'll help. Thanks.